The policeman thought for a moment, and at last one of them said in a small voice, I wouldn't. Wouldn't you be nice and bring the ladder back so that we can get down? Certainly I will, said Pippi, and brought the ladder back at once, and then we can have tea and have some nice time together. But the policemen were very deceitful, extremely. To be sure, for as soon as they were on the ground, they rushed upon Pippi and shouted, now you are going to get it, you nasty child. But then Pippi said, no, now I haven't time to play any longer, though it is fun, I must admit. Then she took a strong hold of their belts and carried them along the orchard and out through the gate to the road. Then she set them down, and it was a long time before they could bring themselves to move. She caught hold, like she was jumping on the terraces this side and that side, they were not able to follow her, catch her. They put a ladder, they went up to the roof trying to balancing and go and catch Pippi. She jumped back, jumped on a gable, a wall, and then hang on to the roof. The branch of a tree, and she swung on herself and jumped down, and she removed the ladder, and they are stuck on the top. Fat policemen, you have seen policemen how they can't move, and they were requesting her, please get it down, get the ladder, get it down, and we can talk to you. She said, okay, fine, no problem, you come down, we'll have some tea together and we'll talk. But the policemen are extremely deceit, they were just trying to fool her, to catch her. But when they came down, they started to rush towards Pippi and tell her, come on, it's high time now, you little naughty child, let's take you to the children's home. Pippi said, I don't want to play anymore now. I know it's fun, but I just want to admit it. She took hold both of the policemen and dragged them out of her gate and put them on the road. She was so strong, 9-year-old girl, and the police were having tough time to get up and get ready to bring themselves back in their own motion, So this is the story about Pippi. She was a very brave girl. What you are going to do is, Pippi easily jumped onto the chimney. The policeman got down and caught Pippi. Pippi dangled from a tree. The policeman told Pippi she would have to go to the children's home at once. That is, 4 is number 1. 4 will come first, and then Pippi easily jumped onto the chimney. Then Pippi dangled from a tree and let herself fall to the ground. The policeman got down and caught Pippi, according to the sequences. Then you will try to do the question answers. I'll also try to help you out, and I'll put it up. I have put up some homeworks for you of class 4 and 5. You please check it up, okay? So this is done. Read it properly and try to do the word meanings. Write them down. Write the word meanings down and try to solve the question answers yourself. I'll also put up homework for you, okay? And rest. See you in the next class. Then we'll do printing and writing. What is this printing and writing all about? Okay? So bye bye, take care, God bless, and be good.